These little treats are easy to make and a fun project to do with your kids. It's so easy to make a big batch to give to teachers or neighbors as a special treat. You need mini pretzel twists, white candy melts, a plastic syringe, a sandwich bag, and red candy hearts. Cut open the sandwich bag and lay it on the plate or cookie sheet. Place the pretzels on top. Melt the candy according to the directions and fill a syringe. Add candy onto each pretzel. Immediately place a candy heart in the center of the pretzel to help it set. Continue until all of the pretzels are filled and place in the freezer for 10 minutes. Remove from the plastic bag and enjoy. Thanks for watching and make sure to like and subscribe.